All right, you guys, we have a really nice unit here. This is a 2026 MT800. This is a mini mixer truck. It's got 6 wheels to get you anywhere on the job site. This thing is really nice. Can lift up to 1,700 pounds and can hold up to 380 liters. Just a really nice unit here. It does come with a toolbox of tools and supplies. We'll give you guys a quick demonstration of it working so you guys can see how it rolls. All right, you guys, there you have it. MT800 mini mixer truck. Come check it out on preview day. Thanks for watching.